Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Playwright for UI testing and Flaky locator fixes, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Playwright for UI testing, begin by installing Node.js if you haven't done so already. Open your terminal and run the command npm init. This initializes a new Node.js project. Next, install Playwright using the command npm install Playwright. After the installation, you can verify it by checking the version with npx Playwright version. To start a new test, create a new file and name it, for instance, test.js. Open the file in your preferred code editor. Import Playwright by adding the following line, const chromium equals require Playwright. To create an asynchronous function, type async equals. Within the function, launch the browser with const browser equals await chromium.launch. Next, create a new page instance by adding const page equals await browser.newpage. Navigate to the website you want to test using awaitpage.goto URL _here. Now, let's implement Flaky locator fixes. Use the method awaitpage.locator _selector.first to select elements more reliably. If you face any timing issues with elements, use awaitpage.waitForSelector _selector. For elements that might appear after an action, consider using awaitpage.locator _selector.waitFor. To prevent flaky locators and repetitively loaded elements, try employing awaitpage.locator _selector.index for precise targeting. After implementing your tests, close the browser session with awaitBrowser.close. To execute your test, return to the terminal and run nodetest.js. You can observe the test execution for any errors or unexpected behaviors. Review the output carefully to fine-tune your selectors and improve their reliability. If you plan to run multiple tests, consider creating a test framework like Jest or Mocha for better organization. As you develop your tests, continue to adjust selectors and strategies based on results you encounter. Lastly, keep documentation handy, as Playwright offers extensive resources for advanced use cases and optimization techniques. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.